And the body came undone again. Ah, bummer. So twice now this has come off. So basically the impact from the bumper is pushing the body backwards, which is then pushing it from out underneath the mount, which is very, very disappointing, because that will happen probably every single time I jump it then. It's doing a controlled wheelie and keeping it from snagging that rear bumper, and then it tumbles over itself. And it did it again. Let's see, I can probably show you how I can put it back on. There, slipped it back in. That's just too flexible. You can see how easy it comes out. So, popped in. Gosh. How about let's do a big one? We already know the body's gonna come off whether I go slow or fast, so let's try a big one. Ready? Here we go. Well, I missed the ramp though. Well, the body came off completely. Ooh. Hey, the body didn't come all the way off that time. Ooh. Hey, it's actually upright, and did the body not come off that time? Let's bring it back up here. I have it completely pinned. Two-wheel drive machine struggling for traction. Here we go. Let's try to hit this ramp and not miss it. I kind of want to jump it with the body off. Look at those tires fighting for traction, guys. Really fighting for traction. I really want to try to get some big air on this one. Nice. Here we go. Oh! I'm gonna stand on this right here. Hey, the RC's still fine. It turned off. I wish I would have gotten the landing. I was too far back to capture the landing though. Ooh, pinion I think came off. Pinion or motor move, guys. That might be the end of her. I'm guessing either the pinion came off, guys, or the motor shifted on that landing. Oh well, if you guys enjoyed the video, go ahead, give it a thumbs up. I look forward to seeing you guys in another video. Later. Crap, guys, it was not the pinion. I thought it was the pinion. I looked at it again, and not only did we break the shock, look at the shock. The shock is broken. That heavy-duty drive shaft, the ones that I just bought from Integy, broken. Oh my gosh, that's disappointing. It didn't even break at the joint. It actually just so much force it twisted. You know what, guys? I was sending it pretty high though, so I mean, I would say that's kind of warranted. I should have stopped one time before that, and then it went to broken. Oh well.